Congratulations on taking the first step on creating a successful funnel on the internet.
Guys, I highly recommend Miami Visuals when it comes to attaching the funnels to the websites that we had. So instead of having to go to 15 different places, here with Miami Visuals, we got it all in one.
Miami Visuals for a while now, and it has been the best experience ever. Before I came on board, I tried doing things on my own and only ended up frustrated, annoyed, confused. And the moment I signed with Miami Visuals, it's been such a smooth process.
You want to make sales of your products, your services, and generate leads online. Okay? So click on this link and we're going to see you on our funnel where we're going to explain all the details. You can literally be live in 1 hour. Have nothing to lose. I'll see you there.